from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just kind of different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow your girl on all social media. So today we are back with another unboxing of my soon-to-be favorite, because like I can see it, luxury brand Telfar. I ordered myself another shopping bag. Before I get into the video though, just to let you guys know, Telfar is a black-owned luxury brand, and you know, Juneteenth is coming up. We love to support our black businesses. The only thing I don't like about it is that there are no returns and exchanges, but their quality has been superb, so I don't really have any thoughts that I would need to return or exchange it, but just having to throw that out there for you guys. They do not accept returns or exchanges, but the quality is bomb. So let's get into the video and you guys can see which one I got. This is the box it came in. I'm gonna lower the camera more so that you guys like really get to see it, but I'm so excited to open this up. As you can see, the box has not been opened yet, so let's open it. And that you guys see is just me tearing off like the tag, because y'all need to know where I live. So then when you open the box, this is how it looks. It says Telfar, established 2005, NYC. So this is the little Ziploc bag that it comes in. So as I open the bag, I'm just gonna read out some facts to you guys. I got the size medium, which cost $202, and that $202 does not include tax, so tax was $17.93, so my total was $219.93, and that is for the medium, as I said. Everything basically comes with free shipping other than the belts, because free shipping is above $125, and most of their items, as I said, other than the belts, are above that price. So I got the color cream. I actually have to turn on my light. Hold on, so y'all can actually see like how it looks. So for some reason, no matter how much I turn on my light, it just won't show you guys the rightful color when it's like far back, but whatever. This is the cream color. So the medium bag online, it says that it fits like your laptop and daily essentials, and it really does, because I bring my camera, my laptop, and then like my little daytime bag that's filled with like, you know, perfume, deodorant, extra underwear, gum, lip gloss, like the things that you might need in the case of throughout the day. So this bag is perfect for it. So the bag comes with 2 straps. One is a long crossbody strap, which is probably the length of my arm. Yeah, about the length of my arm. And then some short handles to hold it with. I know a lot of people don't like the fact that these straps cannot be adjusted. I've gotten used to it. Like, I like the fact that they can't be removed or adjusted, because I don't know, I just feel like it makes it unique and creative. But I know a lot of people don't like that fact, but honestly, it's really nothing hard to get used to at all whatsoever. On the inside of the bag comes with these little metallic buttons that you snap closed to keep the bag closed, and then at the top it has a little zipper pocket that honestly it'll hold like some change, your gum. You can probably, I feel like you can probably fit like your phone in here depending on the size of your phone. Really cute. And then it has like the little Telfar E at the top of it, along with clearly said tag. So this cream color was released on May 16th, 2022, and clearly that's the day I ordered it, and I got it delivered on Tuesday, May 24th, which is 8 days later. So I believe that shipping and processing is pretty fast. Like, that's pretty quick to get your bag. The way that I ordered my bag is not the way that I realized that a lot of people get theirs. I get mine just by setting an alarm for the 12 p.m. drop that they do on usually Mondays and Wednesdays. And then I usually just buy my bag within the first 5 minutes because Telfar sells out. Like, I don't think I've ever gone to their site more than an hour after and everything is already sold out. But that's how I buy mine. I know a lot of people use the bag security program, which is throughout the year they'll give like a specific amount of time in which you can go on, select the bag that you want, and then they custom make it to you and send it to you months later. Personally, I cannot do that because I'm a type of girl who, if I don't buy it right in that moment, I'm not gonna buy it. And if I do pay for it, by the time it shows up, I probably won't want it anymore. Like, I'll probably have bought something else that's either the color or the size or whatever it is that had attracted me to the bag to begin with. So personally, I do not use the bag security system. I just take my chances with their 12 p.m. drops. And I have been successful so far. So your girl is fine with the way that she does it. If you guys want to go through the bag security program, just go onto the Telfar site and scroll down and they'll tell you like during what times they allow bag security. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys have made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on all social media. Get yourself a Telfar bag. And if you have some, leave it down in the description box. Tell me which colors you guys have. Let me know if you guys use the bag security program. Like, am I playing a dangerous game with just waiting on the drops? I'll see you guys in my next one.